Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today's video, I'll show you how to upload photos on Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive app, then you need to click on this plus icon, go for upload. Now select your photo you want to upload. So if I go for this photo, click on it and it's loading now. Refresh it and you can see it's uploaded. So this is how you can upload photos on Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.